Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital banking and tackling a question many of you might have. How do you add money to your Neon account? Let's face it, traditional banking can feel stuck in the past. Paperwork, endless queues, and limited hours, who needs that hassle? Neon offers a refreshing alternative, a sleek, mobile app that lets you manage your finances on the go. But before you start enjoying all the cool features like sending instant payments or tracking your spending, you'll need to get some funds in there. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, a quick heads up, Neon is a completely digital bank. That means they don't have physical branches where you can walk in and make a deposit. But fear not, there are still a couple of convenient ways to top up your account. Option 1, bank transfer, the classic choice. This one's a familiar friend for most of us. You can transfer money directly from your existing bank account to your Neon account. Here's what you need to do. Open the Neon app. It's your one-stop shop for everything financial. Navigate to your profile. This is usually found under your account icon. Look for bank details. Here, you'll find all the essential information you need for the transfer, including your Neon account number and IBAN, international bank account number. Head over to your regular bank's app or online platform. Initiate a new transfer. Fill in the recipient details using the information you copied from Neon and choose the amount you want to transfer. Double-check everything. Make sure the account number and IBAN are correct to avoid any delays. Hit send. Your money should be on its way to your Neon account within 1 to 2 business days. Option 2, Twin Top-Up, the cash-loving hack. This option is perfect for those who still prefer the feel of physical cash. Here's the twist, you won't be directly depositing cash into your Neon account. But here's the clever workaround. Head to your nearest Coop supermarket, post office, Coop Bao Plus Hobby, or Coop City. These are the participating retailers where you can buy a Twint Top-Up. Ask for a Twint Top-Up code. Think of it like a gift card for your phone payments app. These codes come in various denominations, so choose one that fits your needs. Open your Twint app. This could be your bank's Twint app or the official Twint app, depending on your setup. Within the Twint app, select Top-Up. This option might be located differently depending on the app you're using. Scan the QR code on the receipt you received with your Twint Top-Up code. Alternatively, you can also manually enter the code itself. Choose your Neon account as the receiving account. Here's the key step, make sure to select your Neon account within the Twint app for the funds to be deposited there. Confirm the transaction. The amount from the Twint Top-Up code should be transferred to your Neon account within a few hours, usually within 2 to 3 working days. So, which option is right for you? If you're comfortable with online banking and have a linked account, a direct bank transfer might be the faster and more convenient choice. However, if you prefer handling cash or don't have an existing bank account linked, the Twint Top-Up option offers a flexible alternative. Bonus tip, keep an eye on transfer limits. Remember, there might be transfer limits set by either your current bank or Neon. These limits can restrict how much money you can transfer at once. It's always a good idea to check these limits beforehand to avoid any surprises. The takeaway, fueling your financial freedom. By keeping your Neon account topped up, you unlock a world of financial freedom. From sending instant payments to splitting bills with friends, the convenience of a digital bank is hard to beat. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more money management hacks. Until next time, happy banking.